So once you have the head joint aligned with the body, there are actually a couple of things that you can do to help find that alignment every time until you get used to it. One would be taking some fingernail polish and putting a dab of fingernail polish on the head joint and a dab of fingernail polish in a parallel line on the body. It doesn't hurt the flute at all. When you're ready to take that off, all you have to do is take a fingernail and it just comes right off. It's not a big deal at all. It won't hurt. I would do it on my high-end flute. So no worries about putting a little dot of fingernail polish on the head joint and the body. But if you're not comfortable with that, or you just like stickers, you can also use stickers. So I've chosen a sticker to use for alignment. My sticker says dazzling, which I thought was very appropriate for a flutist. We all like our sparkle time, me included. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sticker and I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to take the part that says Daz and I'll put it on one side. I'll put it on the head joint. And then I'm going to take the half of the sticker that says lean, and I'm going to line it up on the body. So there's dazzling. It's just something that can help you get the alignment a little more quickly until you get used to it. It's not a big deal, and it's kind of fun.